Founded in 2001, and with a mission to provide clean energy solutions, Goldbeck Solar implements commercial photovoltaic solar systems in Germany and around the world. The modular ARC system is a photovoltaic construction system that merges the modules to the substructure to create static, arc-shaped 9-meter pieces. These arched pieces move on rails and can align to the east and west at different inclinations. The jury awards this revolutionary concept for building multipurpose solar power structures with kilowatt-hour yields comparable to conventional systems and cost effectivity due to the low material input required. Minimally invasive construction, faster installation, and the system's flexible use as waterproof roofing that can also collect and store water are other award-worthy aspects of the product. Thanks to its low cost, this technology can be used as a single, double, or triple-use system for energy generation, agriculture, and livestock farming with enormous potential to scale.